You can see the stings on there still. I know I'm handling them, but to be honest, I handle a lot of nettle, and I don't mind being stung. And here we are. I broke these open earlier, but here we are. I'm just pulling. You can just pull that fibre away there. This is an essential skill, whether you're using a bow drill, a flint and steel, or a ferro rod. This is an essential skill. You catch your ember in this, and this nettle, once it's burning, is really difficult to extinguish. It really enjoys burning and it enjoys smouldering. But what we need to do is to just dry this and then process it. So having processed it like this, you process it. By rubbing it between two rough pieces of stone, you end up with this, which is like cotton wool. And look at that, then you wouldn't even know that that was nettle. But now